It's Klessig from Winona County Soil and Water Conservation District, and I'm here with Dennis Barth from Barth Construction here out of St. Charles, Minnesota. And we're here today streamside on Trout Run Creek and wanting to just talk a little bit about what you got going on here as far as the project. And so you're using rock, you're using some wood. Just tell us a little bit about the project and what you're after.
Well, when we started out on this project, the banks were 6 to 8 feet high. So we're lowering the banks, and we're letting the floodplain, open up the floodplain for the water to, in events, to have a place to go without putting pressure on the stream banks.
Okay. And then so you're using some wood, some rock. Tell us a little bit more about some of the woody habitat you're creating, because it's not just rock, it's wood too.
Right, a lot of big rock, a lot of big eddies in the middle of the stream, but also root wads that we're putting in the stream for cover and also to protect the banks.
Okay.
We will use a large woody habitat, which is a bunch of logs stuck out into the stream for overhead cover.
Okay.
And we'll make a combination of those different things together.
Sure.
In other instances as well.
Okay. Tell us a little bit more about how you're opening up the floodplain so that the sediment can drop out. So we're taking the banks down, flood waters can rise and spread out, and then it drops sediment.
And then it'll drop the sediment out, and it's not moving it downstream. So we're keeping nutrients and the sediment from moving downstream.
Right. And another big thing is we're taking more flood pressure off of the downstream people and by spreading that water on the floodplain. So that is a big benefit for downstream landowners. Tell us a little bit about, and Nolan, if you want to just do a pan kind of up slowly and look at what they're doing upstream, tell us a little bit about what are the next stages here. We're almost done with the cat work. Tell us a little bit about the seeding and what you are seeding.
So what we're seeding with is different kinds of native grass blends with forbs and flowers. There's an upper bank and a lower bank, and then we'll also put down 75 to 100 pounds of annual ryegrass for a cover crop, and then we will hydromulch.
Okay. So again, what Dennis was just saying is they use a diverse mix of prairie species and native grasses, a different mix close to the stream, also a different mix higher up on the bank, and then a lot of cover crop to protect the soil, and also hydromulch to act as a mulch until the other stuff comes up. So just to kind of wrap up, folks, trout fishing is huge down here in southeast Minnesota. We are really blessed to have awesome streams like this, and yet we're also doing our part to try to make them better and to try to take care of the resource. So, Dennis, I just want to say thanks for the interview and thanks for showing us